African Advanced Manufacturing and Composites Show represents the single largest gathering of role players in the sector in South Africa. The annual initiative was established with the key objectives of showcasing Africa's advanced manufacturing capability with a view towards growing trade and sales and equipping and inspiring small and big business through the innovative tools of the fourth industrial revolution. A key mark of its success is the unprecedented buy-in and active participation of policy, agency, and industry representatives.
The purpose of the show is to network, but more importantly for us to actually strategize to get advanced manufacturing onto the agendas of government, within industry, within the boardrooms of South Africa, and into the public. For the first time we have academia, industry and government under the same roof. It's quite important to actually get these people together.
CSR is one of the sponsors for this conference. We're also one of the exhibitors. We have a stall exhibiting some of our bio-based products, namely our bioplastic bags and sandwich panels. Usually conferences are either geared towards academic or industrial, but this scientific meeting is such that you have people from the industry, from the research councils and from the universities, so it's a common meeting ground for all the people.
We see solutions here today that have been exported around the world that are certainly world firsts, and I don't think we celebrate that enough, and I think this is an opportunity for us to really celebrate and showcase what's possible and what South Africa is offering the world. We've got a massive technology pavilion where we're showing virtual reality, augmented reality.
The activities of the show include an exhibition and demo zone, learning program, factory tours and public events.
Coming through, Stefan goes through, F-stop, chase.
So it's a very good networking opportunity. We get the opportunity to meet other companies that's like-minded, to see what other companies has to offer, meet with companies that can provide services to our business, and also show us other opportunities in terms of development to the youth, where the gaps are and where do we need to push the youth to.
The show has a keen trade focus, but the opportunity to inspire future engineers cannot be missed.
From an industry perspective, they really are demonstrating the many facets of advanced manufacturing, from robotics, CNC, lasers, 3D printing, but also automation in its various guises.
It's definitely a good networking opportunity. We've had a lot of interest and a lot of people are exposed to technologies and services here that they don't normally get exposed to.
Being a multiple faceted show, we have industry seminars which is really drawing together industry around four main topics, which are four elements of advanced manufacturing. And we have speakers, in fact even from Germany, the tops, shall we say, captains of industry, speaking around their particular angle on advanced manufacturing and composites.
Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from Germany. I'm from STL Carbon. We are a carbon fiber manufacturer, and we were here at the Composite show in South Africa to make networking with South Africa and to support South African companies and help them to build up a carbon fiber composite business. And we would like to support South Africa in developing this business. So we met a lot of people and a lot of companies there, had very good talks. It was a very, very good experience.
South Africa's National Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Awards is an auspicious occasion. It is not only a showcase of world-leading advanced manufacturing innovation, but an unparalleled networking opportunity.
The reason why drones are for us important is that they attract the type of people that will be moving into advanced manufacturing in the foreseeable future.
We look forward to your participation at the next edition of Africa's Advanced Manufacturing Marketplace.